Hello everyone! Start off by tying a ribbon to the top of the head and then take a section from the front and begin to braid it. Do this on the other side, join it at the back and tie a bow once you're done. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Then add a hair twine through the hair, roll the hair around it and then wrap it up, make a bun out of it. Adjust the hair accordingly. Next, start off by tying a ponytail, then add a bow with a ribbon attached to it. Using the section of the ribbon, make a braid out of it. Use the ribbon as one of the sections of the braid as well. Start off by tying 2 braids at the bottom, then make a ponytail, attach the braids to the ponytail. Add a ribbon through the ponytail and then use it as one of the sections of 2 braids. Wrap these 2 braids one around the other and make a bun out of it. Tie it up in place once you are done. Start off by dividing the hair into 2 partitions. Taking one side, take a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it and roll the hair in on itself. Take another section, tie it underneath it and then begin to braid this hair. Roll the braids upwards. Start off by tying a ponytail, then take a bun stick. Roll the ponytail around the bun stick, adjust the hair accordingly and make the bun. Add a rubber band once you're done. Take a section from the front of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself, make a braid. Join both the braids at the back. Take 2 more sections of the hair and join it at the back. Repeat this step 2 or 3 more times and then braid the bottom. Start off by sectioning the top of the hair and make a ponytail out of it. Then add a ribbon at the top. Braid the hair using the ribbon as one of the sections, then make a bun out of it. Tie it up in place, make 2 braids at the bottom. Start off by French braiding the front of the hair. Take multiple sections and add it as you progress with the braid. Do this on either side. Tie a ponytail at the back. Roll the ponytail in on itself. Include the braids that you have initially created in another braid that you are now making at the bottom. Add multiple sections in the front of the hair. Add multiple rubber bands as well. In the middle, tie a ponytail, add a hair twine through it, and then roll the hair around this twine. Make a bun out of it. Adjust the hair accordingly. As for the bottom portions, make 2 braids out of it. Start off by tying a ponytail with a decorative rubber band. Take a section of this ponytail, tie a rubber band to it. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 more sections, wrap it around the first. Repeat this step until you reach the bottom. Use your fingers to loosen out some of the strands. Start off by taking a section off the front of the hair. Add this decorative thread to it and then begin to braid the hair using this thread. Include it into one of the sections of the braid and progress with the braid. Once you are done with the first braid, make another braid at the bottom. Start off by taking a section off the top of the scalp, tie a rubber band to it. Divide this into 2 portions. Taking one of the sections, begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections from the hair into it. Taking the other section as well, do the same. Once you are done, join them together, make a braid at the bottom and roll this braid upwards. Start off by creating a braid at the top. Take 2 more sections of the hair right underneath it and then using the initial braid that you have created, begin to braid the hair. Take the second braid as well and then make a third braid out of it by using the bottommost hair. Start off by tying a ponytail, make 2 braids out of it. Lift these 2 braids upwards and make a bow-like shape. Fasten the loose ends and then add a hair stick. Add a ribbon as well once you are done and then tie a bow out of it. Start off by tying a ponytail, add a hair stick through. Divide the ponytail into 2 sections. Interchange these sections and then wrap it around the hair stick. Do this until you are not left with any more hair. Fasten it in place using a rubber band or some bobby pins. Thank you for watching.